की, भारत माता की।
मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर रूप, पहनावा, मजहब बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल के पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था। A very befitting morning to Honorable Secretary of our institution, Dr. Sanjay Chidawar, our revered principal, Mr. Rajesh Prajapati, and respected vice principal, Mr. Sanjay Segar. My colleagues, parents, and dear students, on behalf of our institution, Jyotirgamay English School, Kusal, I, Mrs. Jyoti Dalde, welcome you all for the celebration of 79th Independence Day of our great nation. As every year we celebrate this national festival to pay homage and tribute to our great forefathers. As we have already begun this momentous occasion by honoring and hosting the pride of our nation, Tiranga. Now, it's time to welcome our dignitaries. So, very first, as the backbone of our institution, respected Mr. Sanjay Segar, Vice Principal of our institution. To welcome him, I invite Mr. Suryavanshi sir. In 1947, on 15th August, our nation broke the shackles of British colonial rule and emerged as the sovereign nation. Our great leaders, Rajguru, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, these people dared to dream of free India, and with their courageous efforts and unwavering determination, they made it reality. As every year, we eagerly wait for the dawn of Independence Day, because 15th August is not just the date on the calendar. It is the heartbeat of every Indian heart. It is the voice of past and the future of tomorrow. So, Independence Day is not the celebration, just the celebration of freedom. It is the celebration of courage, sacrifices, and the determination of our forefathers. About today's glorious occasion, to talk about today's glorious occasion, our tiny tots are ready with their wonderful thoughts. So let's start with the standard first.
Good morning, everyone, respected chief guests, principal, vice principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Malhar Pallavi Sangeet. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August, the Independence Day of our country. We celebrated a India became free from British rule. We got our freedom on 15th August 1947. We should all be proud to be Indian. Thank you.
I invite Ms. Pavit again from Standard 7 to deliver her speech.
For the independence of our we all know that no nature is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Surely that is not for when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. जिसका ताज हिमालय है, जहाँ बहती है गंगा, जहाँ एकता में एकता है, सत्य और जोहदे जहाँ नारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है। वंदे 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 मातरम में उत्कल गंगा है। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जो प्रेम और विश्वास की भूमि है, जो भारतवर्ष कहलाता है। हाँ, मैं उस देश का हिस्सा हूँ जो हिसार, यशवंतपुर, राफेल, तेजस और आयन विक्रांत है। मैं गर्व से कहती हूँ, मैं भारतीय हूँ। मैं काव्या कक्षा तीसरी से स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर विचार व्यक्ति हेतु यहाँ उपस्थित हूँ। आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, अध्यापक, अध्यापिका, मेरे सभी सहपाठी एवं उपस्थित सभी महानुभावों को मेरा प्रणाम। जैसे कि हम सभी जानते हैं, आज एक स्वर्णिम अवसर मनाने हेतु यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं। आइए मिलकर आजादी का जश्न मनाते हैं। यह दिन भारतीय इतिहास में वो मील का पत्थर है जो बहादुरी, एकता और देश प्रेम का शानदार प्रमाण है। इस इतिहास की श्रृंखला की एक एक कड़ी हमारे अंदर संघर्ष, नम्रता, साहस, त्याग का बोध कराती है। जब हमारी भारत माँ अंग्रेज सत्ता की अधीन थी, तो उसे मुक्ति दिलाने के लिए राष्ट्रभक्ति एवं वीरता से ओत-प्रोत उसके पुत्रों ने जो बलिदान दिया, उन देश प्रेमियों की पावन शक्ति को नमन करते हैं। स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने हमें स्वतंत्र देश दिया। भारत की ताकत इसकी वीरता में निहित है। जब हम भारत के तिरंगे को फहराते हैं, तो केवल एक ध्वज नहीं, एकता, अखंडता और हमारी स्वतंत्रता की धरोहर कि वो जन जन के मन में प्रवाहित देश का सम्मान, कि वो जन जन के मन में प्रवाहित देश का सम्मान बने अखंड आर्यभट्ट हमारी महान पहचान। विश्व गुरु की ध्वजा आज लहरा रहा चंद्रयान अब चिड़िया नहीं, हाँ अब चिड़िया नहीं, सोने का काज बने मेरा हिंदुस्तान, सोने का काज बने मेरा हिंदुस्तान। आज हमें संकल्प करना होगा कि हम देश की प्रत्येक सदा समृद्धि के लिए सच्चे भारत की तरह अपने कर्तव्य को निभाएंगे, पूरी निष्ठा और ईमानदारी से उज्जवल भविष्य की दिशा में कदम बढ़ाएंगे। स्वतंत्रता दिवस हमें उन मूल्यों का सम्मान करना सिखाता है कि आहुति दी उन वीर और शहीदों को हम श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं। भारत आज पूरी तरह से आजाद होकर भी कई समस्याओं से घिरा हुआ है, जैसे कि भ्रष्टाचार, प्रदूषण, बेरोजगारी, अशिक्षा, आतंकवाद। इन समस्याओं का समाधान ढूंढना जैसी चुनौती का देश के जवान सरहदों पर डटकर मुकाबला कर देश की रक्षा कर रहे हैं। आज हर नौजवान की राहों में देशभक्ति जागृत होना जरूरी है, तभी विकसित भारत का सपना पूरा होगा। इसलिए मैं कान्हा से प्रार्थना करती हूँ, दौलत न अता करना लल्ला, दौलत न अता करना, शोहरत न अता करना लल्ला, शोहरत न अता करना, बस इतना अता करना चाहे, जन्नत न अता करना। शम्माए वतन की लौ पर जब, शम्माए वतन की लौ पर जब, कुर्बान पतंगा हो, होठों पर गंगा हो, हाथों में तिरंगा हो, होठों पर गंगा हो, हाथों में तिरंगा हो। जय हिंद।
Words from a young mind. A wonderful message he has given that this is the time to root out the curse like corruption and illiteracy and do the efforts to make our nation steady. Now followed by I invite Amni Thenge from Stanford.
इस धरती को स्वर्ग बनाए, कांटों में भी फूल खिला है, इस धरती को स्वर्ग बनाए। आओ सबको गले लगाए, हम स्वतंत्रता दिवस बनाए। Respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you and happy Independence Day. My name is Aradhya Sandeep Thenge. We are gathered here to celebrate 79th anniversary of India independence. On this historic day in 1947, our country broke free from British rule.
patriotic song. So I invite our song students and the music teacher, respected Mrs. Papinal ma'am. Now followed by I invite Miss Shalaka Mugawat from Standard 6.
On 15th August 1947, self-rule and for our wishes. Under our system, under our flag, over a large area of Bharat. This independence also reminds us the elevated period of slavery, hardship and concern. The battle that Bharatiya fought without deviating from the sole goal of complete independence. From the geographical view, the struggle of Bharatiya people against foreign powers was widespread and all-encompassing. The section of society contributed to the freedom movement as per their ability, strength and power. रंग बलिदानाचा या तिरंग्यात पाहावा, उत्साह देश प्रेमाचा अतिशय करावा, जय घोष भारताचा अस्मती गुंजवावा, सण हा स्वातंत्र्याचा सदैव चिरायू व्हावा, सण हा स्वातंत्र्याचा सदैव चिरायू व्हावा. As we host tiger high, we pay our homage to brave men and women who shaped our nation's density. We honor their courage, their vision and their commitment to the ideals of equality, justice and freedom. This independence is a celebration of collective strength, our diversity and our resilience. It's a reminder of nation built on foundation of sacrifice, hard work and determination. तीन रंगाचा आमचा तिरंगा, केसरी पांढरा आणि हिरवा, नवीन फडकत गातो नित्य पराक्रमाची गाथा. भारतीय इतिहासात तो दिवस अमर झाला, 15 ऑगस्टला आपला भारत स्वतंत्र झाला.
Teacher Kirkala, a very warm and pleasant good morning to respected dignitaries present on the dais and of the dais. Myself, Drishti Khandagare from Standard 7B. I found myself fortunate to have the privilege of speaking in front of you on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. Today, we have gathered here not just to celebrate a date on the calendar, but to honor the soul of our nation, our freedom. It was on 15th August 1947 that India, after centuries of slavery operations and sacrifice, finally broke free from British rule and took her first breath as an independent nation. लोकमान्य टिळक once declared, स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार आहे आणि तो मी मिळवणारच. These words were not a mere slogans, they were the words that ignited a nationwide movement. We all know that freedom was not served to us on a silver plate. It was earned in battlefields, in silent protest and in loud cries for justice. We all know Bhagat Singh, who faced gallows at just the age of 23-year-old, with smiling, declaring, "मेरे खून का हर एक कतरा इंकलाब लाएगा." We remember Rani Lakshmibai, whose words still shake the soul of every Indian. तुम मुझे खून दो, whose words still shake the soul of every Indian. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. He didn't just ask for slogans, he asked for sacrifice. Friends, Independence Day is not just the celebration of the past. It's the reminder for the present and responsibility for the future. As a girl standing here, that during the independence battle, nobody thought about that from which caste they are, from which creeds they are, from which religions they are. They just remember that firstly and lastly, we are the Indians. That is the spirit. Such a beautiful tribute to our motherland through a wonderful song. Once again, I appreciate all of you for your beautiful song. Followed by, I invite Miss Janvi Indoria from Standard 8.
Indoria from Standard 8. Today's January University is on the occasion of Independence Day. Honoring the past, building a brighter future, happy Independence Day to all of you. As we all know, this year we are going to celebrate 79th Independence Day. Today we celebrate 15th August, the day India gained freedom from British rule in 1947. This day reminds us of the courage and sacrifices of our great freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai and many others. Their struggle gave us right to live in a free and democratic nation. Let us work together to make India stronger and better every day. टूटकर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जलकर देख लेना, कभी ठंड में टूटकर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जलकर देख लेना, कैसे होती पार्षद भूमि के कभी सरल पर चलकर देख लेना. Independence Day marks the end of British rule in 1947 and establishment of a free and independent India in 1947. In 1947 कभी वंदे मातरम और कभी पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा तरुण उत्कल गंगा है. मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जो हर ठुकराए हुए की शरण थली बन जाता है. वो देश जो सात समुद्र पार परदेसी को भी अपने ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर कहकर बुलाता है. यही प्रेम की पूजा भूमि भारतवर्ष कहलाता है, भारतवर्ष कहलाता है. Thank you, I complete my speech.
Janvi. Now after this, I invite Master Saket Padamor from Standard 9.
मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जिसे कभी सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था. मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जहाँ के छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जैसे शौर्य के प्रतीक मिले. मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जहाँ के भगत सिंह ने हंसते हंसते फांसी चढ़ी थी. और मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जहाँ के इसरो ने चंद्रयान से चांद पर देश का झंडा गाड़ा है. With these lines, a warm good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Sarthak Padamwar from Standard 9B, and today I am here to present a speech on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. Friends, today we gather here not just to celebrate a date on the calendar, but to honor a journey, the journey of our freedom. In our history books, we often read about various freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Veer Savarkar. But the history sometimes forgets the names of countless others who made the same sacrifices. Kanakata Barua, Peer Ali Khan, Madan King Hazra, Baji Rao. You might not even have heard about these names, but they made sacrifices which also have helped us to get independence. Freedom did not come to us easily. Millions have watered this soil with their blood. They gave up their dreams, faced prison, pain and death just so that we could live in an India that is our own. Imagine if they had been afraid. Imagine if they had chosen compromise. Perhaps we would still be bound in the chains of slavery today. Friends, it has been 77 years since we got independent. Let us ask ourselves a simple question. Are we truly independent? Yes, in 1947 we broke free to the chains of British rule, but some invisible chains still remain today. Poverty, corruption, illiteracy, discrimination. These are the we too must fight, not with protests and swords, but with education, innovation, and unity. This brings me to something I call one-day patriotism. On Independence Day and Republic Day, we wear with pride, but the very next day, many forget it all. We might even see some flags fallen on the ground once the celebration is completed. Today I came early here and before we sat across the floor, I saw it and then picked it up. Is this something that we can call as true patriotism? Not really. True patriotism is not about a single day of celebration, it's about a lifetime of contribution. It's about following the law, respecting others, standing up for justice, keeping our surroundings clean every single day. We should also remember that just like us, many other countries rose from poverty or got independent in the mid-1900s. countries like Japan, South Korea, Singapore, after the war they started from ruins. Yet today, this हुकूमत से तो आज़ादी दिलाई, लेकिन क्या हमने हमारे देश को भ्रष्टाचार से बचाया है? भ्रष्टाचार, गरीबी और अशिक्षित और असमानता से बचाया है? असली आज़ादी तब आएगी जब हर बच्चा शिक्षित होगा और पेट भरकर सोएगा और हर इंसान अपनी बात बिना डरे कह सकेगा. And what about unity in diversity? Our freedom fighters dreamed of a united India where religion, caste and language could never divide us. But today, we let these differences turn into walls to stop us from developing. If we want to really honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, we must break these walls. We must break these walls and work together as one people. We should also not forget the forgotten citizens. What do I mean? The farmers who work day and night to feed us. The laborers who build our cities and sleep on the streets. The children who wait at the traffic lights instead of sitting in the classrooms. Until they too enjoy the fruits of freedom and independence will remain incomplete. Friends, we are just 22 years away from 2047, the 100th year of our freedom. Let us imagine an India where our air and rivers are clean, where every citizen is literate, and where our women feel safe everywhere. And where we are not just the largest democracy, but the greatest example of peace, progress, and unity. Let us take a pledge that we will keep the spirit of freedom alive every day, and that when our children in 2047 will look back at us, they will say, they did not just inherit. यहाँ के पत्थर पत्थर पर शूरवीरों का खून है. यहाँ का हर रंग तीर से पवित्र है. और अगर कोई हमारी इस मिट्टी को भी मान लगाए, तो एक ही आवाज गूंजनी चाहिए. भारत माता की वंदे वंदे. Thank you.
Just wake up early and sing. Oh, it's Independence Day. Let's take a beautiful picture of myself with a caption #Independence Day, #freedom, #celebrating Independence Day, #love for nation. The Independence Day done. अगर हम देश के अंदर हो चाहे देश के बाहर, यदि हम देश के अंदर हो चाहे देश के बाहर, जैसे ही दिन निकल गया मानो आजादी भी निकल गई. जैसे ही दिन निकल गया मानो नेशनलिटी भी निकल गई. We take care of our parents every day. Our parents take care of us every day. And what about the point of taking care of our Mother Earth? We have just 3 days. Independence Day, Republic, soldiers because of whom we are standing here. Why do we fail to mention the tailors because of whom we have something to wear? Why do we fail to mention our parents because of whom we are existing here? Why do we fail to mention our teachers because of whom we have something in our raw brains? Why do we fail to mention ourselves? We are celebrating our 79th Independence Day, where Independence Day is celebrated when someone is truly feeling for something. And today we are celebrating our 79th Independence Day. Honestly, I don't think any one of you is really independent. We are celebrating our 79th Independence Day where still we are bonded with negative thoughts. We are celebrating our 79th Independence Day where still we are living in low category. We are celebrating our 79th Independence Day where still a girl is stopped by saying look properly, talk properly, see properly, work properly, sit properly, behave properly, but not even the boys are stopped by saying see properly. We are celebrating our 79th Independence Day where a birth of girl is accepted but the birth of boy is celebrated. We are celebrating our 79th Independence Day by keeping our ego at the top and by saying बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ फिर ले जाके किचन में बैठाओ. Is this a real independence for the nation? Yes, आजान न होने देंगे. शहीदों की बलिदानी कुर्बान न होने देंगे. बची है जो लहू की एक बूंद भी भारत माँ की शान वो कभी आंचल न आने देंगे. Thank you. A very thought-provoking speech by you. Wonderful. Now, let's add some rhythm, grace and colors of our culture to Every day you know the glory of our nation. Now, after this wonderful performance, I invite my colleague Mrs. Anisha Harse to share her valuable thoughts about this auspicious occasion.
हमारा सदा लहराता रहे तिरंगा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसता हमारा. With this beautiful light, a warm good morning to one and all presenting here. The guiding light of our school, our principal, Mr. Rajesh Prajapati sir, the stronger pillar of daily behind discipline, silent strength, and supporter, our vice principal, Mr. Sankar sir. Today's honor because of Independence Day to all. Before talk to freedom, let us we bow our head in gratitude for every drop of blood that gave birth to this day. Today, as we hoist the national flag, sing the national anthem with pride. With pride, all reminded the sacrifices of countless freedom fighters who dream for free and the prosperous India. Their struggle gifted us most valuable treasure, that is freedom. But let me ask you today, what is freedom mean to us now? Freedom is just not a celebrating birthday. It's about right to think freely, speak wisely, act responsibly. As a teacher, I believe that our most powerful tool is education. Education that inspires thoughts, builds characters, and creates citizens who are proud of their roots in their values. Dear students, you are the soldier of peace and progress. Let your weapon be knowledge, discipline, and compassion. Let's remember, freedom is just not a right, it is a responsibility. When we speak honestly, we honor freedom. When we act kindly, we strengthen unity. And when we learn sincerely, we build a future of nation. Also, you are the leader of tomorrow. So every idea you think, every value you hold, let us make the future of India's. So let's pledge today, we just not wave the flag, but to hold high values. It stands for truth, courage, equality, and the peace. That we cherish our freedom by respecting it, by protecting it, and use it wisely. As your teacher, my heartfelt advice is this: don't just salute the flag. Live by their values. It stands for be honest, be kind, and be brave. Then action will reflect India you wish to see. Whether you are a student, a scientist, a farmer, or a soldier, serve the nation in your own way every single day. At last, but not the least, I want to say, माँ के चरणों में जन्नत है ये तो सुना था, माँ के चरणों में जन्नत है ये तो सुना था, पर माँ जैसी मेरी भारत भूमि है ये मैंने जाना है. With this beautiful line, I conclude my speech here. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Your inspiring words. So every celebration becomes more special when we listen to thoughts of our respected ones. And today on this auspicious occasion, we are honored to have our Secretary of JS, Dr. Sajal Sidalwal. So I respectfully invite him for some beautiful words. Now, it's time to listen to the guiding force of our institution, Mr. Rajesh Prajapati. So respectfully, I invite our principal, Mr. Rajesh Prajapati.
Honorable Secretary of our institution, the dynamic cardiologist, Dr. Sajal Sidalwal, all my dear colleagues, and all my beloved students and dear parents present here. First of all A very happy Independence Day to all of you. Friends, it really gives us a very good feeling when we celebrate this day. It really gives us a very good feeling when we start our day with a new zeal and enthusiasm to celebrate our national festival. It gives us a good feeling when we put on the national flag, the brooch or the band in tricolor. It gives us a good feeling when we unfurl the tricolor and sing our national anthem. It gives us a very good feeling when we speak very beautiful words in the honor and respect and love of our nation on the dais and on the stage. Really, it gives us a very good feeling. The whole nation is filled with nationalism. We see that. We see this fervor everywhere. We see this on internet, on social media also. But all this fervor of this nationalism, this patriotism is seen for a day. Some of our students, they have spoken very brilliantly. Master Sarthak Padamwa, Janvi Siddharwa, Janvi Jadhav, Kavya Dhanshekar, such people, almost all the people, they spoke very brilliantly over here and they raised the same issue. They raised the same issue. The fervor of this nationalism, this patriotism, it lasts for a day. Why? How about the other day's day? What about from the next day onward? We forgot all our nationalism. All our nationalism goes away. All our patriotism goes away. All our honor, respect and love for our nation, it goes away. This should not happen. The nationalism, this patriotism, love for our nation, it must seep deep within our skin. It must flow with our blood. And that was what all the freedom fighters, they have this. They have their nationalism flowing with their blood in their heart and mind and soul. And that's why we remember them, we commemorate them, we speak a lot about them and honor them long after their day that was their sacrifice. Students, we must give at least 15 minutes every day. At least 15 minutes every day. And just within those 15 days, think of our nation and see what can I do for my nation? What can I give to my nation? We always think what the nation, everyone asks, what the nation has given to me. What has the nation given to me? And what do I get from my nation? Here, all over the world, and entire world, the fight is only because of one simple thing, and that is, what can I get? The fight is over this issue only. What can I get? If you contract all the controversies and all the issues of the world into a simple one line, so it is just one thing only, what can I get? How can we overcome it? Of it. Just the opposite of it can bring prosperity, can bring peace and love, and can make the whole world a better place to live in. Just the opposite of it. And what is the opposite of what can I get? The opposite of it is what can I give? If we are working in a government institution, we must ask ourselves, what can I give? If we are working in a private institution, we must ask ourselves, what can I give? If you are not doing anything even then, we should ask. As tiny student, we must ask ourselves, what can I give? If you think that I can give nothing because I am very small, it is wrong. If you can give nothing, at least one thing you can give, and that is a tiny, beautiful smile on your face, and can spread it. You spread smiles on the faces of others, and you can do it and improve your way of giving also. You can improve your way of giving. You can make it better and better every day as you go every day. Means, along with giving, give it with a smile. Give, stretch a helping hand to the needy people. And for this, you have to get something also. You have to bring this tolerance within yourself. If you are tolerant, if you improve your tolerance, you will increase your strength of giving to others. So, take this mantra and remember, this mantra was given by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and it was campaigned by his PA Srijan Pal Singh. They both had started this campaign, this mission of giving, the mission of what can I give. So, from this auspicious day, I think we should begin this campaign, we should continue this campaign after Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and ask ourselves, what can I give? The answer of this question will be surprising and will be revolutionary. If unitedly we give something, that will be a revolution. Students, remember all this. Unity is always strength. And remember, unity for some constructive purpose, positive purpose, brings revolution, and unity for destructive purpose brings terrorism. So,
In which way you will go unitedly? And I think the answer must be that to gain the peace, progress, and the prosperity of our nation. So after hearing this motivational speech, let's make today's auspicious occasion more special by listening the thoughts of our respected Honorable Dr. Sajal Chidama. So I respectfully invite him for the speech.
Friends, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. So today we are celebrating 79th Independence Day. As the number goes on increasing 79, 80, 90, we keep on forgetting the importance of the day, what that day really signifies. So for that, let's start from what we did today morning. We got up, we got ready, we put our small flag on our shirts, we enjoyed our independence, we filled our hearts with pride and nationalism. We came all the way from home singing our national songs and everything. We came here, we hoisted our national flag. Then we said Bharat Mata Ki Jai, we said Vande Mataram. Before 1947, for doing any one of these things, we would have been in jail. We would have been in jail, we would have been punished, we might have been hanged. That was what was India before independence. So 1947, 15th August 1947 is not any day. It's a paradigm shift in India's history. It's a day where the foreigners left our country to us. They left in a very pathetic condition. We were bone dry and wanting. We had lots of problems, but that was it. The problems were ours, not someone else to dictate us what to do. There were so many problems that today, if we think of those problems, we will feel that this country is doomed. But then, there is always enough talent in our country. There are enough people in our country who will put their hand up and bring this country out of problems. First of all, there was a Green Revolution. What was it? It was that because India was on the brink of hunger, the food in India was about to go dry. So, few brains in India came together, they brought about the Green Revolution and it made India self-sufficient. So self-sufficient that today India is looked upon as the provider of food throughout the world. Same thing happened with milk and then we brought about white revolution. In 1991 our economy was about to be dead. We were about to be declared as bankruptcy country. And then we brought about the economic revolution. In 2000s, India underwent a technological revolution. Now we are undergoing a space revolution. And in a few years, we might undergo an AI revolution. So why am I telling you all these things? Because today also we have a lot many problems. As our students, our principal has explicitly commented on the problems we have today. But then, in adversity lies the opportunity. If you see the problems we are facing today, they are very minuscule in front of what the problems were in 1947. So, if you can come out of those problems as a nation, we can obviously flourish among these problems as a nation. Every one of you here has got a stage today to show yourself what your real talents are. You can show the world what you really are. Be the best version of yourself and you will really do good for our country in this world. Don't limit yourself to a particular city or a particular state or a particular country. If you really are passionate for your talent, today no one is stopping you. No one is coming here and saying you can't do this in this country, you can't do that in this country. Ours is a secular country. Here we celebrated APJ Abdul Kalam as a president. Here we celebrated Manmohan Singh as an economic minister and prime minister. Today, when a person called Mohammad Siraj takes the final wicket, we all celebrate. So we are a secular country. Let's keep it that way. That is not a disadvantage, that is advantage for us. And today, we are in such a condition that today we are the fourth largest economy in the world. So let's all together strive and make India the biggest economy in the world. Thank you.
Words. It was really wonderful to listen to your inspiring thoughts. So after this, as their birthday. So let's be the part of the birthday celebration. So I invite birthday students on the
birthday today. So all of you wish him
So dear students, before concluding my words, I want to dedicate a few lines. जिस दिन तेरी फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, जिस दिन तेरी फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, क्या ज़मीन क्या आसमां ये हिंदुस्तान मिल जाएगा, ये हिंदुस्तान मिल जाएगा. With these glorious words, I end my words. And with the principal's permission, here I declare that today's program is over. Once again,